Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. We are going to make some light red kidney beans today. And for our ingredients, we will need some salt, pepper. I'm using vegetable broth because that's what I have in my cabinet. Normally I would use chicken broth or either chicken stock. I'm using Slap Your Mama, bay leaves, thyme, a little bit of cayenne pepper, that's optional. We'll need an onion, some garlic, and for my meat, I'm using smoked turkey necks. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So the first thing we want to do is take our beans, open this pack up. And we want to pick all of the bad beans out of here. You'll know they'll look rotten. Okay, I think we're good. Normally, I would soak my beans overnight. That's like a routine. But this lady said, put the beans in the pot, in a stock pot, cover it with water. So let me grab some water, about 1 inch over. Now give it a bit more. Now I did try this with my lima beans and it didn't work, y'all. I'm gonna put it on a fire on high, uncovered. And then we're gonna come back and do our meat. We have the smoked turkey necks. I'm going to rinse these off. And then we're gonna come back and put them in a pot of water. We're gonna put these on the fire on medium high and let them cook. I basically wanna see the meat come away from the bone, and then we'll do the next step. Our beans have boiled. As you see, they swelled up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to cover the beans. Ta-da! Keep it covered. I'm gonna set this aside for now. What I'm gonna do next, get our veggies. I decided to use a bell pepper. Why? Because I have some in the refrigerator. Waste not, want not. So it's not gonna hurt anything. Put that right in this, y'all. Until our meat is done for the beans. Guess what? Add some celery too. Mabel's using celery. Chop this up in there as well. And just a couple of stalks would be fine for it, y'all. Gonna give it some texture, some more flavor. And why not? Good way to sneak in the veggies. Y'all know me. Get those veggies in. Let me grab a paper towel. Just wipe this down for our onion that we're gonna do next. Everyone has their own way of cutting the onion. So however do your onion, you do your onion the way you do your onion. This is the way I do my onion, y'all. My neighbor laughing at me. Okay, let me rinse this off. You know, I love to rinse my onion off. I hate that little slime that's on the outside of it sometimes. I just want to make sure it's off. So, and this is a yellow onion. I'm trying to cut it in your direction so you can actually see. Tell me in this, the comment section, what are your favorite beans? Yeah, I know. This is what you call the Trinity. You cannot go wrong with the Trinity. Celery, onions, and bell peppers. Y'all put this in anything, you got you a winner. I kid you not. This is the way I like to do my garlic cloves, what I've learned. So you can get that shell off of there. It'll come right off, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. See? No problem. No problem at all. I like to take that little tip off of there, y'all. I don't know. That's just me. May not even be necessary, but that's what I do. And then I'm going to slice it this way. Remember, no one wants to eat a chunk of garlic, so dice these very well. I can smell those neck bones. They're doing their thing. That's all you're gonna need for your veggies to get it started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is how I like my smoked turkey neck bones to look before I add them to my beans. I'm gonna pull these off the stove. That's how they look, y'all. Okay, so instead of soaking it overnight, I boiled them. Once they boil, I covered them until our meat was done. Take the smoked turkey and add those into my beans. We can keep this on high, ladies and gentlemen. Let's add in our bell peppers that we cut up earlier, our onions, along with our celery, slap your mama, bay leaves. Get a couple of them. Remember how many you put in there, so you take them out before you serve your beans. I use about 4 of them. They're not full. A little bit of thyme. Let me take this off. Just a tad bit. Come back with our cayenne pepper, which is optional. And now our vegetable broth, which we will need to cook our beans. I'm using both containers, so 64 ounces in total. Toss it in that minced garlic we used earlier. It's all gonna cook together. See that color right now, y'all? That's how you know you're about to get some kidney beans. Yes, indeedy. That's gonna be about a good hour, y'all. Go ahead and let that cook. I'm gonna cover it. Once it's done, I'll come back and let you sample it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, look at those beans, y'all. Oh my goodness. See that meat? See how that meat's gonna fall right off those bones, y'all? Yes. Serve this over some rice, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you something. This is how it's gonna look when it's actually finished. You're gonna be able to get the pieces of meat on your spoon when you dish it out. It's gonna look just like that. What do y'all think? Does that not look delicious? Don't forget to remove your bay leaves